In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get payment from TikTok. If you're selling on TikTok Shop, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go to set up your bank details and start receiving payouts smoothly. We'll move step by step, keeping everything clear and simple. First, open your TikTok Shop account. Make sure you're signed into the correct shop for your region so the payouts line up with your local currency and bank options. Once you're in, look for the Finance section. This is your hub for balances, fees, settlements, and withdrawals. It's where you can see what's available to withdraw right now and what's still pending based on order status or return windows. Next, go to Withdrawal. Here, you'll see your available balance and any notes about processing times or minimum withdrawal amounts, which can vary. If your balance isn't showing as available yet, don't worry. Orders typically need to be completed before they move into the withdrawable balance. From there, click Manage Bank Account. This is where you add or update the bank account that will receive your payouts. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Click Add Bank Account. Have your bank information ready and make sure the account is in the same legal name as your shop's registered details to avoid verification issues. Then, enter your bank details and follow the prompts on your screen. Typical fields include the account holder name, account number, and region-specific details like a routing number or IBAN. Double-check every digit. Small typos can cause payout delays. Depending on your region and bank, you may be asked to verify ownership through a one-time code or provide additional confirmation. Just follow the on-screen instructions until you see a confirmation that your bank account is linked. Once that's done, you can set it to auto withdrawals as well. Enabling auto withdrawals means TikTok Shop will automatically send your available balance to your bank on a regular schedule, such as daily or weekly, depending on what's offered in your region. This is a great option if you want hands-off payouts and consistent cash flow. You can always switch between auto and manual withdrawals later if your needs change. That's it. Open your TikTok Shop account, go to Finance, tap Withdrawal, manage your bank account, add your bank details, and then turn on auto withdrawals if you prefer. Keep an eye on the Finance page for any fees, minimums, or timing updates, and you'll be all set to receive payments without hassle.